So for today's video on the 2024 Subaru WRX, we're going to be getting the factory OEM exterior door pillars replaced with some brand new ones due to the ones from factory having some warpage just because of the summertime heat out here. And at the same time, we'll be getting installed some carbon fiber exterior door pillars from JDM Muscle with a bunch of other carbon fiber pieces. So as you guys can see with the original exterior door pillars that we do have on the WRX, as you guys can see, there is some warpage on these pieces themselves. There is a piece of warpage right here kind of melting, and you guys can see some of the bubbles or outlines on the pillar themselves. So this is where the original pillars were at. As you guys can see, we have some tape over the little clip sockets because I'm gonna wash the car right now. So before we install the new ones and before we get the carbon fiber pieces installed as well, want to make sure the car is clean. But when it comes to removing the pillars, it's really simple. Towards the top of the pillars, you guys can just grab them up here and just literally start pulling back and it'll come off. It's easier to take it off if the pillars are heated up with a heat gun or if they're heated up by the sun. But you literally just grab them on top, you start pulling them back. As you guys can see, there are two sockets here for where the clips on the pillars go. The original pillars that you guys are taking off that might be broken or warped like mine are, if the clips do break and get stuck inside, it's perfectly fine. Just take them out with a pick tool and also clean off any excess 3M tape from the factory pillars. And once you guys have this whole area cleaned up and cleared, you guys just want to heat up the new pillars with a heat gun or just by heating them up with the sun. But when it comes to the pillars themselves, each pillar has one clip. One clip goes into the top of the driver's side front pillar, and the other one, the clip goes on the top of the driver's side rear pillar. And towards the bottom, it's just holes to use to line up the pillar themselves, but it's only one clip for each pillar that will be connecting into these holes. And when it comes to the installation of the pillar itself, I will show you guys what that looks like, but the installation is very simple. What you want to do is make sure that the clips are first into the socket. Once they're into the socket on the door, you want to make sure you have a good grip of the 3M tape cover. And as the clip is in, you want to start peeling this cover tape back. And as you're peeling this back, you want to start pushing the pillar against the door so that as you're peeling this off, the 3M tape is making a good solid connection going all the way down as you peel this back. So this is the entire carbon fiber cover set. So this is all sold on the JDM Muscle website. A link will be in the description. I did see on Import Image Racing, they do sell these carbon fiber pillar covers, but they're only just for the pillars. But on JDM Muscle's website, they have, I believe, their own set of carbon fiber covers that they make personally. And this whole set comes with more than just the pillar covers. It, of course, has pillar covers for both sides and has some exterior trim pieces by the windows as well. And also these corner pieces for the passenger and driver side front windows as well. I've not seen any other installations of these pieces or anyone else that has really posted any videos or pictures online. So I guess this will be a first in terms of a video. But the installation is very simple. Literally all of this behind it comes with 3M tape. So every single one of these is just going to be 3M'd on there. They're all just covers. But it's a pretty cool set. You get a lot of carbon fiber. Online for JDM Muscle's website, before tax and shipping, this was all about $75, but you get this whole set from JDM Muscle for about $75. And it is definitely quality carbon fiber, but we'll get this installed and see how it goes.